രാഘവ് ഞാൻ 5 ദിവസം
Without strength देगा हाँ अच्छा रहा
एग्जाम्स के
एग्जाम्स So what was the last class that we were discussing about? Calculator. So have you done that? Numeric is it working? So the next concept is going to be conditions. Conditions. So in every programming language, conditions are basically checking state of an object. In every programming language, conditions are going to be basically checking state of an object, how the particular object state will be, either true or false, either true or false. Only two statements, true or false. Okay, so there are multiple kind of conditions. One is the if condition, one is the if else, one is the else if. Okay, nested if, and one more is the switch. if condition, if else condition, else if, nested if, switch. That's it. So how to work with this particular different type of conditions? The first one, if condition. How if condition is going to be working? If is going to be checking, only two statements. Only two statements. If is going to be checking only two statements. If is not going to be checking the false condition, false block. If is going to be checking with or executing with only the true block. If is going to be checking with the true block. Name is Srinivas. So name is equal to Srinivas. Where name is equal to Srinivas? If name is equal to Srinivas, the block of the code will execute. If name is not equal to Srinivas, it is not going to be executing anything. It is not going to be checking for the false. It will check only the true block. It will check only true block. If attending I pay. What is the meaning of if? I pay. I pay in the I pay. I pay means if something is going to be happen, that will be true. If something is going to be true, execute some block of the code. If something is not going to be true, it will not work for that particular situation. Okay? Got my point? If he is going to be checking only true statements, it will not go and check for the false block or false statements. Please try to remember this. Okay, so for example, where name is equal to something like Srinivas. I am just declaring the variable where name is equal to Srinivas. If parenthesis, if name is equal to Srinivas, if name is equal to checking equality with the Srinivas, then we are going to be executing the block. This block of the code will be executed. Block of the code executes. The block of the code executes. Otherwise, if name is equal to, if name not equal to Srinivas, what it is going to do? For example, if name is equal to Srinivas. So this is basically true or false? False. If it is false, block of the code will not execute. Block of the code it will not execute. That's it. If he is going to be checking only true statements. Let me write a program. Okay, this stop and page folder. That folder should be 24 by. Inside this, I am going to be storing the notes. Next, I am creating a program. This will be the if the. Okay, so writing a script where name is equal to Srinivas. This is very simple. Next, I will try to write the if condition. If name is equal to Srinivas, then what is the output now? Alert. Okay, alert. Okay, what is the output of the program is? Huh? I got okay. Okay. So if name is not equal to Srinivas, for example, S capital letter, the block of the code is not going to be executing. Why? Because of the condition is basically false. Name equal to capital S Srinivas. Basically, that is not true. If it is not true, what is the output now? Nothing. What is the output now? Nothing. So the program can't able to go with any specific block. If the condition is true, then only it will go for some block. If the condition is going to be true, then it is going to be executing with the block. What is the block now? The block of the code alert. Now the program we are writing inside alert, that is going to be checking and giving the output. Just basic programming fundamentals. Programming fundamentals conditions. Programming fundamentals loops. Programming fundamentals variables. Programming fundamentals operators. Basic things. In all way, any programming language you go, the basic important thing is variables, data types, operators, loops, conditions, files. Any programming you go Java, you go C, you go C++, you go .NET, C#, you go PHP, you go Python, you go JavaScript, you go Swift programming, you go with the Perl programming, anywhere you go, these particular 5 important terms in any programming language: variables, data types, loops, conditions, operators. First 5 important things. JavaScript, all these are very simple. In JavaScript, all these are very simple. Try to understand. If you learn these particular 5 situations, 5 syntaxes, you can learn any programming language. Definitely. You can learn any programming language. Definitely. So for you people, I will teach Python one day, one full day. I will take Python programming one full day. I just want to plan for Python free workshop. Python free workshop someday. We will go with that. Okay, definitely. I do plan for that. The complete programming about Python will take a full one day. Some Sunday we will plan. Okay. So this is basically if condition. Why? Because in your resume you add I know Python programming. That is maybe needed. The recruiter. Maybe you know Python and they have some project in Python, they will put in you into that particular project. Yes sir. Better you learn Python. Why? Because Python programming language is very famous nowadays. At the same time, which is going to be supporting for data science, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. Anywhere you go, Python is very common programming language for people. Resumes need actually Python nowadays. And your fresher exams, fresher recruitment exams also, they are giving Python questions. You know that? So that is the reason I just want to give the programming fundamentals about the Python also. Okay. Next one is, second one is what? If else. What is if else? If else is going to be checking. Is going to be checking true and false blocks. True and false blocks. If condition is going to be satisfied, if condition is going to be satisfied, true block will be executed. If condition is not going to be satisfied, else block, false statement will be executed. And here the thing is syntax rasuna. If condition is satisfied, then true block. This is the syntax basically. This is the syntax. I am writing the syntax first, then I will write the example. I will write the example. This is the example. Example or not? That's the syntax. This is the example for the if. Then this is the syntax. This is the syntax for the if else. Let's see one program for this. Same program. I will write the same program. If condition is going to be satisfied, example I will write for this. Now tell me, if name equal to Srinivas, if name is equal to Srinivas, what it is going to be do? Block of the code execute, something like alert, okay, alert, okay. If it is not satisfied, else block. What is this? Alert, not okay. Huh? Can I say not okay? Very simple. Huh? If is simple, if else also simple. So let me write one program now for the if else. Copy this, thank you, save it as if else dot HTML. If else dot HTML. Let me write something for this. Okay. So the same program I will copy here, paste here, and else block. Alert. What is that not? Okay. Now tell me, what is the output, guys? Imagine what is the output. See the program and imagine the output.
Okay.
Output will be okay. Output will be okay. Okay. That's it. But if the condition is not satisfied, this is capital letter. Not okay. Exactly. So the thing is not okay now. Thing is not okay now. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. This is basically the thing we need to understand, the part of the conditions. One is the if condition, one is the if else. Next one. Next one. Else if. What is the meaning of else if? What is the meaning of else if? Tell me. Else if. What is else if now? This syntax is going to be checking number of true statements. Number of true statements. If any true condition, any true statement is not satisfied, then it will go for false block. Then it will go for, tell me this one. This syntax is going to be checking number of true statements. This condition, this syntax is going to be checking number of true statements. If anything is not going to be satisfied, it will go to the else block. For example, if you want to watch a movie, first day in theaters, release day, you are going for Satyam Theatre, houseful. You are going for Gokul Theatre, houseful. You are going for Bhagala Dema Theatre, houseful. You are going for PVR, houseful. Then else block, go to home. Go to home or go to another movie. Go to another movie. This is what actually the thing is. In a real case example, you are going to be checking with the number of cases. If any case is not getting satisfied, directly it will go to the false block. So what is the syntax then? Syntax is very simple. If checking condition. If condition is satisfied, go to true. Else if checking another condition, go true. Checking another condition. A number of conditions it is going to be checking, guys. A number of conditions it is going to be checking. The condition chain actually. Number of conditions it is going to be checking. If any condition is not satisfied, it will go to the finally else block. Else block is the false block. Else block is the false block. This is the false block. And this will be the true block. This will be the true block. It is going to be checking number of true statements. If condition, else if condition, else if condition. Checking number of conditions. Checking any number of conditions. If any condition is not satisfied, directly it will go to the false block. Is it clear? Let me take one example on this. Example is very simple example I will take. About the marks. Marks is equal to something like 67. Marks is equal to 67. I just want to check the grade of this particular marks. Next, write a condition. If marks less than 35. What it is going to be? What is the output of this? Marks less than 35. What is the output we can say? Fail. Next, else if. Write a condition. Marks greater than 35 and marks less than 50. Greater than 35, less than 50. 35 की 50 के मतलब है सी ग्रेटर Let me give the C grade. Okay. Else if marks greater than 50, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and here marks greater than 50 and marks less than 70. What is this grade? B grade, B grade. 60 ఇచ్చావా? అంతే అంటవా? 65 50కి 65 పర్వాల B grade. Then else part. Now tell me, by understanding this particular concept, what is output? Basically marks and that. So I am giving 87. A grade. Output is what?
A grade.
Okay. Checking marks. First condition it is going to be checking marks less than 35. Condition is not satisfied. Go for the another condition. Marks greater than or equal to 35. Means 35 kanda ekku undali. More than 35, less than 50. Less than or equal to 50. And one more block. Marks greater than or equal to 50 or greater than 50, less than 65 or less than or equal to 65. Then it is going to be less than or equal to, less than or equal to 65. What is going to be? B grade. Else part? A grade. So now Gautam marks 87. Now Gautam will get A grade. Obviously A grade. But because of checking n number of conditions, if any condition is not getting satisfied, it will go to the else block. Else block is I am not going to be checking the condition for the else block. Else block condition checking not required. If any condition is not satisfied, or checking the number of conditions, if any condition is not satisfied, it will go to the A grade only. Remaining one is the A grade only. So our marks is 87. This marks 87 is going to be checking if the number of blocks. If any block is not getting executed directly, it will go to the else block. That's it. Okay. So let me copy this program and save here. Save it as else if if dot HTML and let me put the script without script don't write JavaScript. Without script don't write JavaScript. Yes. Oh my God. What happened? Did the other writing? Any errors వస్తాయి? Alert. What is this? Failing. And here alert. C grade. Alert. B grade. Next alert. A grade. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Anybody? What is the output of this program? Anybody? Are you sure? No. Check the program properly. If I am giving this program to you, interview question, what is the output of this program? This is the interview question only. It is the output is the A grade and C grade and B grade and 4 options I am giving. This is the question for you. 4 options are given. A grade, B grade, C grade, error. 4 ఆప్షన్స్ వచ్చిన ఏ గ్రేడ్, బి గ్రేడ్, సి గ్రేడ్, ఎర్రర్. నేను వెళ్ళిపోతా వచ్చిన వెళ్ళిపోవాలా ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. చార్జర్ వేరే వాళ్ళు తీసుకుంటారు. చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎర్రర్. ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్? చూడాలి కదా ప్రోగ్రామ్. వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్? వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్? ఏ గ్రేడ్. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఏ గ్రేడ్? సార్ అది నాది చార్జర్ తీసుకురావా? మన ఒక కుర్రోడు ఉన్నాడు కదా, కుర్రోడు తీసుకున్నాడు నిన్న, మర్చిపోయినాడు. సుహాస్ గారు ఒక అబ్బాయి ఉంటాడు, ఎలా ఉంటాడు? నాది మ్యాక్బుక్ చార్జర్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇంకొక అబ్బాయి మ్యాక్బుక్ వాడతాడు అన్నారు. తీసుకురావాలి, మర్చిపోయినా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్? ఏ గ్రేడ్. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఏ గ్రేడ్? ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? రావాలి, ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? ఏంటి ఏంటి ఏ పని చేస్తుంది? అలాంటి ఎందుకు పని చేస్తుంది? పని చేయదు కదా. ఇదేంటి మేడం అప్పుడు రావాలి. ఎలా రావాలి? బయట కదా. అందుకే అసలు అక్కడ దాకా పోలేదు. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ ఆబ్వియస్లీ బ్లాక్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాలేదు కదా, ఎర్రర్ కాదమ్మా. వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఇప్పుడే గుర్తుపెట్టండి. సో మంచి పాయింట్ చెప్తుంది ఏంటది? ద బ్లాక్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్, ఈవెన్ యూ ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఎర్రర్ ఆల్సో, ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్. సో ద బ్లాక్ script is going to be executing only this block. The script is going to be executing only this block, down one, this one. Then obviously you get error. Why? Because of here you have the program problem, and here you don't have any problem. It is not going to be checking that. Then even though you are writing the capital A here, it will not give the error. Why? Because of this block is executing for you, obviously output is A grade. Output is what? A grade. So all of such that's it. So I can be back like this. So let's continue this switch condition tomorrow. Charger miss ayindi, very honest. So go and check with the multiple things in the YouTube lo velandi, lekapothe blog lo velandi, different kind of programs you write with the conditions. Check with the conditions and loops first. We done with conditions and loops. So condition undi, switch condition le cheptanu. Then we will be having operators in the tomorrow session, and 2-3 days. Within 3 days we will finish the JavaScript. Within 3 days, right? Saturday. By Saturday we are going to be finishing the JavaScript. Tomorrow I am going to be giving a lot of programs. Tomorrow, and until Saturday we will finish the JavaScript, and immediately I will start the CSS. CSS 3, only 1 day. Yeah, 1 day is enough. CSS 3 1 day is enough. HTML5 1-2 days, 2 days. jQuery 2 days, Bootstrap 2 days. Then React.js. We move to the React.js. Maximum 10 days lo React.js lo vachestam. Just follow the procedures. First lo koddiga slow ayindaru, tarvata you easily understand the programming kabatti, then easily go with the థింగ్స్. అందుకే స్టార్టింగ్లో HTML, CSS, JavaScript కొంచెం స్లోగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్, ట్రై టు habitual for the programming, HTML syntax, CSS syntax, JavaScript syntax. Then obviously the remaining things are very, very comfortable with you. If I am showing some syntax, you can easily understand. Okay, sir, this is script, sir, that is HTML, sir, this is CSS, sir. Okay, you can able to easily find the syntax for other classes like CSS3, HTML5, jQuery, even React.js. React.js is little bit tricky one. It's a new one. So I will tell you very slowly React.js. Okay, I'll take time for the React.js. Then we move to the Node.express, database connectivity, MongoDB also. Is it clear? 1.5 month. Next 1.5 month we are going to finish. By end of the December 31st ki finish karna. Enrollment when start hai? Enrollment start hai class? When we started? This batch. Last month? 20 yeah? 20? 2.5 months. 2.5 months to 2 months time chesada. Duration. I just want to analyze the duration. I am planning to close this batch before the festival. At 2.5 months. 2.5 months to end.
December, sorry,